Today we're cooking an Elfe potato and chorizo bake. The inside of the Elfe potato is golden and buttery. The texture is perfect for this one pot wonder tray bake. Potatoes cut into a bowl, sliced garlic, red onion, orange pepper, full of juice, full of sweetness. Then we go, yellow peppers, again really bright, vibrant dish. Chorizo, this one's already peeled, cut in pound coin sized shaped slices. Rose harissa, salt and pepper. The chorizo itself is cured and contains a lot of salt, so we're just going to put in a little bit of salt. Paprika, which is sweet. And here's its pal, smoked paprika. This one's a lot softer. Look at the colours of those. It's very Mediterranean. A little bit of olive oil. Evenly coat everything with the spices. Cumin seeds, pumpkin seeds. Bring my tray over. Nice heavy oven tray, lined with greaseproof paper, which I'll show you why it's there later. In we go. First 30 minutes have passed. We're going to take it out and we're going to have a look. So as you can see, we've got little charred edges on that. The potatoes are taking on a bit of colour. I want to give this a little stir. We're going to pop in our cherry tomatoes. And what these guys are going to do as they heat, we're going to expand, the skin's going to burst and they're going to let the juice in and make a sauce with the oil from the chorizo. Green olives, back into the oven for the last 10 minutes of cooking. Just snipping in some parsley. It's the greaseproof paper that's been protecting it and holding the juices as it comes out. Helps to form juice for our dish. Sensational potatoes. There we go. Elfe potato and chorizo bake. We call it El Clasico in our house.